What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we are going to discuss what is push traffic. So let's dive in. Alright, so today we are going to talk about what is push traffic and how do you get started with push traffic if you're looking for a career in the affiliate marketing and you've chosen for push traffic. So before we dive in, let me tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta for free. So you can use all kinds of awesome software and services inside the Deberoo Suite, and it's completely free right now as long as we're still in the Deberoo Suite beta test. So make sure to go to the link below in the description and sign up for the beta test. Now, let's talk about push traffic. How do you get started with push traffic and what does it mean? Well, first we need to answer the question, what is push notification traffic? So there are a couple kinds of push traffic. There are three kinds of push traffic actually. Two of those already existed for a while, and one of those are actually quite new, has been introduced this year. So first we have mobile push notifications. And mobile push notifications, you've seen them after downloading an app. The producer of the app will ask you, can we send you notifications to your device, to your mobile? And if you agree to that, they will send you notifications. That could be discounts notifications, or when we talk about games, letting you know when you can take certain actions. Whatever it is, you agree that the publisher of the app can give you notifications on what's happening. It could also be Facebook. If you download Facebook on your phone, it will ask, can we send you a push notification? And if you press yes, you will get, for example, a notification that a friend of yours has liked one of your posts. So that is a push notification on mobile. Then next up is the web browser push notification. And the web browser push notifications are notifications that you receive from specific websites. They will ask if they can send you a notification as soon as you first visit the website. And when you allow these notifications from that website, they will be able to send push notifications to your browser no matter what site you're browsing, right? So you will still get a push notification from the website that you maybe visited like a month ago, even though you haven't visited the site in between, but you gave them consent that they can send you push notifications, so they will keep sending it wherever you are on the World Wide Web. Alright, so you could be getting a push notification while you're watching this video on YouTube from a total different website that you haven't been on for weeks or whatever. And then the new kind of push notification introduced this year is the in-push notification. And in-push notifications look like normal push notifications, but they are placed on the website themselves instead of the browser. And it looks like a small message or alert that slides into your screen, into the page that you're visiting at the moment. So it's only while you are at that page, since the push notification is on that page, right? So if you exit the page, you will no longer receive any push notifications from that website, like you would get them from the web browser push notifications. So let's talk about, oh wait, I got some examples. So these are examples of push notifications on different devices. So this would be a web browser push notification. So this is the one on the laptop. Then right here we have this is the laptop. This of course is the PC. We've got a tablet here, notification, and a mobile notification right here. Alright, now let's talk about the benefits of traditional push traffic. So then I'm talking about the app push notifications, mobile push notifications, and the web browser push notifications. First of all, you have quite engaged traffic, and the user typically has to opt in to the notifications, right? Just like I said, when you download Facebook or any other app, the publisher will ask, can we send you push notifications? The same goes for websites, right? They ask you, can we send you notifications? And only if you press yes, they will start sending you notifications. Meaning that the people that do click on yes are more engaged with your message because they choose to receive notifications from you about that matter. So they're more engaged. Other than that, they also have a better reach and performance. A good push traffic ad will usually see high CTR compared to other traffic formats. Once again, the engagement is there, so therefore the performance and the quality of the traffic will increase as well. You have no bot traffic on push notifications, on the traditional push notifications, because there is an opt-in. And the bot will not opt in on a push notification. So therefore, when a user presses yes on getting your push notifications, you know for a fact it's not a bot. All right. And then we have low costs. Compared with other formats such as email or SMS traffic, push has pretty low costs. And usually you can buy push traffic in CPM form basis and CPC basis. So costs per 1,000 impressions and costs per click. And then we have the format. The format is quite simple and convenient on the traditional push notifications. It's an image, a title, and a description. That's it. Looks quite like native. If you look at it that way, they're kind of alike, not completely. And the style is a bit different. But the setup is the same, right? Image, headline, description. And it allows you to easily perform split tests. And changing copies, images, descriptions, whatever, and so on and so on. So we've had the benefits of the traditional push traffic. Now let's talk about the benefits of InPage push notifications. So the InPage push notifications are shown directly, right? So where in traditional web browser notifications, you would have to accept the notifications, and maybe they send a notification 24 hours later or whatever, or maybe an hour later. But with InPage push traffic, as soon as you visit the website, it will get shown directly, instantly. Also, the InPage push traffic always works on any device and any browser. It's part of the website basically. So as long as the website works and is available, your notification will be visible as well. You have more potential reach, right? Because the user doesn't have to opt in on your notifications. They don't have to subscribe on getting notifications from you. They visit the page, so they get a notification. There's no filtering. Which means that the quality might be a little bit less, right? Because, like I said, those people that opt in to get your notifications are more likely to be interested in the subject matter. And in this case, the quality might be a little less, but your reach is bigger since you are now projecting to everybody and not just the people that opt in. And last but not least, there is no unsubscribe, right? So with general notifications, push notifications, you have your subscribers, they will keep getting push notifications, and then at some point they might think, oh my god, this is fucking annoying, I don't want to receive these notifications for this fucking diet weight loss offer because I don't give a shit that I'm fat and I no longer care about losing weight, whatever, right? Then they will unsubscribe and no longer get your messages, meaning that they no longer have the potential to convert, right? With InPage push traffic, there is no such thing as unsubscribing. You cannot subscribe, you will get the message. So since you cannot subscribe, you can also not unsubscribe. Seems logical, right? So as long as they keep visiting the page that you are running your notifications on, they will also keep getting your message for as long as they keep visiting that website. Meaning that even though they have the same mindset, right? They have the same mindset of like, oh, I'm getting crazy of these notifications. They are still seeing your ad. And they might say today, these push notifications are fucking annoying. But maybe after 3 weeks, they forgot that they thought it was annoying. And maybe now all of a sudden they want to lose weight again. And they see your offer. They've seen it before. They're familiar with it. And now they think, you know what? Let me just give it a shot. I've seen this before. I kind of trust it now just because I saw it a couple of times. You know what? I am going to give it a shot. Let's see how it works. And now you have a conversion. So no unsubscribe. Very important factor for the in-page push traffic. Now, let's talk about verticals. Because no matter the traffic source, one of the first things that students ask me when they ask about a specific traffic source is what kind of verticals are popular at the moment. And don't get this wrong. This changes a lot. Like, a lot. Right? So what is trending on push notifications now might not be trending in 2 years, right? So right now I don't have crypto in this list. It doesn't mean that crypto on push notifications won't be profitable today. And it doesn't mean that crypto won't be popular in, I don't know, 2025, whatever. I'm just stating that these verticals that I'm about to list are the verticals that are best performing. Not saying the other ones won't perform, but those are the verticals that are best performing today on this traffic source, on push notifications. So let's talk through them. First of all, I would say the big winner of these, and it has been winning for push notifications for a while, are sweepstakes. Sweepstakes, I would say, is a killer on push notifications. Then let's see what else is in the list. Gambling, of course, very, very popular with the push traffic. So get some fun icons in there and make a nice gambling notification. Then we have dating, also a very big vertical that a lot of students and affiliates right here are having a lot of success with in the push notifications. Then we have the mobile content offers. And with mobile content offers, you've got to think about antivirus software, streaming software, gaming applications, kind of stuff like that. Mobile content, right? And then we have the Forex binary. And last but not least, the health and beauty. So if you're looking to get started with push notifications campaigns, make sure to gain all the information of this video and also decide what kind of vertical you want to focus on. I would say pick one out of this list to start out with because these are currently best performing. But if you feel like that your strength is somewhere else, then these verticals, feel free to do any kind of vertical on push notifications as long as it suits you, right? So if you are starting out with push notifications, make sure that you gain all the information you can, get some creatives going, get your creative juices going, and start writing some awesome copy and get some nice images and start your campaign and let's make some money, shall we? Alright, that's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Don't forget to join the Deberoo Suite Beta and peace out.